Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we'll be looking at the word sustainable. Sustainable. How many syllables do you think this word has? If you said 4, you're correct. Sustainable. Sustainable. Now, where do you think the stress goes in this word? The stress goes over the second syllable, stain. So it should be a little bit louder than the rest of them. Sustainable. Sustainable. Now, let's try to guess the meaning from context. Read the sentences on your screen and try to figure out what is the pattern with the use of the word sustainable and its other forms. You can pause the video now if you need more time. The meaning of sustainable is being maintained at a certain level. This can apply to living things like plants or humans, or non-living things like businesses. Let's move on to part of speech. For this activity, reread the sentences on your screen, and this time, instead of focusing on the meaning, focus on the part of speech. So I want you to think about, is the word in yellow being used as an adjective, a verb, or an adverb? Once again, if you need time, you can pause the video now. As you can see on your screen, sustainable is the adjective form of the word, and we know this from the ending able, which is a common suffix for adjectives. The verb form is sustain, and it was being used in the base form in the sentences. And lastly, sustainably is the adverb form, and we know this because of the ly ending. Now that you know the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of sustainable and its other forms, it's time for you to start practicing. You can begin with the question on your screen. What are some other examples of environmentally sustainable practices? You can post your answers on our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.